What's an honor and privilege in these times for Curro Holdings to assist Netcare with 3D printed medical items, obviously to amid the COVID-19 outbreak, and for executive heads, teachers, management from the Curro head office to come together and everybody just spreading the love and come up with an innovative way to support with the printing of masks and various medical items. And these items will obviously be distributed back to Netcare, and they can use it as they see fit and to support their staff if there's certain shortages happening as well. So it is quite a privilege, it's an honor, and everybody have been working behind the scenes with the printers at their homes, in their garages, in their lounges, and just spreading and sharing the love. And this is how we've been doing it in true Curro style, just supporting. We can definitely beat this together as a nation. It's our opportunity to stand together and hold each other's hands high, and Curro Holdings and all the Curro schools are definitely not shy to take on this challenge. It's lovely to show some of our 21st century learning approaches as well, and what we've been learning and what we've been teaching our learners in our schools. So it is super fantastic, and we definitely know that we are fighting this pandemic together, and together we are definitely strong, as our president so rightfully said in his previous speeches. So we can do this, and nothing makes us prouder to be part of this fantastic and exciting initiative.
For medical personnel, thank you very much for what you're doing for us. Something small we can do for you. Hope it helps.
And this was made in an effort to support the health workers dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic. We are really proud to be part of this effort and this drive by Curro on a national level.